Hello, everyone. Welcome to Auro Liquid Demo. Decentralized finance is transforming digital asset trading and continuing to take market share from decentralized finance, which is a trend that we expect will continue to inflect going forward. But one issue continues to restrict its potential, that is fragmented liquidity. Thousands of tokens are spread across chains and decentralized exchanges, creating a maze for users and platforms trying to execute even a single trade. This results in poor price execution, high slippage, gas inefficiencies, and a complex, frustrating trading journey. Introducing Auro Liquid, a next-gen smart liquidity engine solving decentralized finance's fragmented liquidity problem. It's more than an aggregator. Auro Liquid is solver-aware, execution-optimized, and gas-intelligent. Auro Liquid aggregates liquidity across 10-plus blockchains and 150-plus decentralized exchanges, using real-time analytics and dynamic routing to execute trades at the best prices, with minimal slippage and gas costs. Designed for seamless integration into wallets, decentralized exchanges, and decentralized finance platforms, Auro Liquid delivers infrastructure-grade performance to developers and institutions. It's also a core module of our flagship, the Auro Digital OMS platform, built to power professional-grade decentralized trading. Now, let's walk through the Auro Liquid decentralized exchange screen. So we have a spot page. So this is the trade widget, and you can see all SECs, DEX, OTC. So I will select DEX. So I'll try to do the trade. First, we put Solana and USDT. And then, the exchange which we're going to select is DEX Solana Main. And the amount which we're going to pick is 0.01 Solana. Then you can see our order blotter. I can see there is some balance in my Solana. And here we can see our order book. You can see our order book is DEX generated, so it is unique to our platform. So let's do a trade of 0.01 Solana. I'll put on, click on Solana. It will do a pre-processing. It will define a route from multiple decentralized exchanges and checking multiple liquidity pools. Here you can see there is one dot this amount is started using Finity as in DEX, and the transaction will go from Solana to USDT. So I'll confirm on the transaction. Can see there is an open market. I can see my order book over here, so I can see there is one trade which is open state. We'll wait for transaction to be completed and executed on the network. You can also see our best bid over here as well. Yeah, my link is generated, so this link will redirect me to the Solana scan, where I can see my trade have been executed. You can see the trade have been executed. I have received 1.153 USDT. If I come here, I can see my order quote. This is in closed status, and this is my limit price, at what price my order got executed. And if I check my balances, so my balances also have been updated from Solana to USDT. So moving ahead, here's what sets Auro Liquid apart: cross-platform aggregation, deepest liquidity across 150-plus decentralized exchanges. Smart trade segmentation breaks large orders to reduce price impact. Intelligent routing evaluates best paths in real time. Optimized execution delivers cheaper, faster, and better trades. In Auro Liquid, we offer a powerful solution that allows users to trade seamlessly across both centralized and decentralized exchanges. By building a central limit order book, using liquidity from decentralized exchanges, we unify access to deeper liquidity pools. This hybrid model bridges centralized and decentralized exchanges environments, providing users with enhanced price execution and greater market depth. We're competing with top decentralized exchange aggregators, such as Matcha, valued at $3.4 billion, 1inch, $1.25 billion, and Jupiter, $1.78 billion. On average, Auro Liquid outperforms them by 0.48% per trade. To put that into perspective, on a $100 million trading volume, this difference translates to $480,000 in price improvement, or 48 basis points of added value. This demonstrates Auro Liquid's strength in delivering superior execution and deeper liquidity across decentralized markets. Auro Liquid is not just a tool. It's the foundation of next-gen decentralized execution. Whether you're building a wallet, decentralized exchange, or decentralized finance platform, we're the engine behind intelligent trades. Thank you.